Hi, this is Silent Solution. Today we are seeing how to CentOS installation on KVM in Ubuntu server. Let's go. This is my Ubuntu. Here is uh, just go to CentOS site and download Steam or CentOS. You can choose your download. Here, just click and download. Already downloaded. I have already downloaded. That's why not no need to download. This click is cancel. Let's go now. We are go to our terminal. This is our select. Yes. Now stuff is connected. Yeah. Our Ubuntu server is connected. Is done. apt sudo sur apt of j. Just a minute. Where update is done. Now installation check our CPU. Just well KV, KVM. Okay, yeah, this can be used. Let's go. Now we are in installation. This already passing is done. Also see here is KVM not now. Need to ego installation done. Then will be see this installation is done. Now we are enable part manager. Now enable part manager. The part does not exit because let's go. We'll see our installation has already done. It is not mandatory. Okay. Yeah, yeah, it's coming. Just we are here. So we are not just loaded. Yeah, type here part manager. First TMC. Yeah, our part manager is open. We'll wait some time. It's not it's working. Well, Enable what manager. Yeah, we are just type again. What manager. Just create connected. Now launching or mesh. Yeah, CentOS forward, forward, forward. Oh, his CentOS system is 9. We're waiting. On process our we need to some time. Yeah, we are choose our language. Here is English. Just continue here. Root password here. Software settings, user. User setting is done. Now we are our all developers tools is about workstation and done. Just location. Now workstation and we select our disk. No disk I think is yeah. Now continue. We are waiting sometimes. Almost is done. Just now we are reboot our just click here reboot. I think is welcome. Yeah, now just password. Wow, that's a great. No thanks. Here is CentOS 9 in.com. Yeah, it's me. Thanks for watching. We'll next another video how to configuration application software. That's it. Thanks for watching.